Building wealth is a skill that is difficult to acquire. Add to it the fact that the global economy has been steadily deteriorating since the pandemic hit, and it's clear to see why making money has become so difficult in recent times. By the end of 2022, experts predict that worldwide inflation will have increased by another 6.5%, forcing even the financially secure to take action. However, when the economy is in trouble spot, it might feel like all your attempts to make money are pointless. That's not truly the case though. In this video, we'll examine 15 strategies for making money that everyone can use, regardless of the state of the economy. Welcome to Finance Dojo. We aim to be the best personal finance educational channel you'll ever need. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell right now so you won't miss out. Be a billboard. It's a strange thing to say, but we mean turning into a human billboard. Despite the widespread use of digital marketing strategies, many organizations still rely largely on tried and true direct marketing techniques. Using cars as mobile billboards is one of these. You may sign up with local companies that employ wrapped vehicles for advertising to generate extra income while driving your car. Wrap your car and you're set to go. Let it earn its gas. Freelance your day job abilities. Not all professionals are fancy. You may be locksmith, organizer, hairdresser, or home giver. This experience can lead to freelancing work. You do the same thing as your day job but make extra cash. This is helpful for those without overtime. Post your abilities on Craigslist, a local freelancing website, or a neighborhood billboard. Either way, you'll make additional money doing what you do every day. So even if your salary doesn't improve, you'll make more money. Deliveries. People must eat well no matter what. That is unavoidable. It will be there constantly, everywhere. How does that help me? You may be the one to deliver meals to those in need. With the help of services like Uber, it's simple to join up to drive for Uber Eats and earn money while you do it. The best part about this is that you don't need to quit your day job or work long hours to make respectable money. Take advantage of the circumstances. This might sound harsh, but it's merely economics. Supply and demand govern the world. Now demands arise anytime there is a change in the world, which makes opportunity for other suppliers to enter the market and fill the void. In Malaysia, it may rain at any time of the day. When it rains, umbrella sellers show up with grab-and-go umbrellas for those unprepared. Supply and demand are instant. So look around you and ask, what do people need? Fill that demand, even if it's face masks, umbrellas, or drinks on a hot summer day. Create an Etsy store. Crafty people may readily market their talent. Etsy lets you make money for your art and crafts interest. You may sell your creations on Etsy. Even if you're not very crafty, you can make vintage-style goods. If someone wants what you're selling, they'll order it, and you may sell your goods without locating a customer. This can be done on Instagram and Facebook, but it takes more time and work. Etsy buyers are eager to buy. Just list what they want. Find another job. The world has had several recessions. A common bit of advice is to get another job. In the past, this meant finding another physically demanding career, which paid well but wasn't sustainable long term. With the internet, you may work remotely from anywhere in the world. Tutor online for an hour a day if you're good at a subject. If you're skilled at social media, you may be a social media manager. Remote jobs enable you to make money in a terrible economy without relocating or working hard. Become a drop shipper or reseller on Amazon. Amazon isn't only a place to shop, it's also a site to sell pretty anything, so you can list anything there to sell. This doesn't imply you need a boatload of stock to sell. Try drop shipping. You sell goods you don't have. No actual inventory is needed. Your consumers purchase on Amazon and you place an order with your manufacturer who ships directly to them. Because you won't have to pay for delivery or inventory, increasing the price of the goods slightly results in a profit. Create an Airbnb. In a terrible economy, Why not use an additional room in your home to generate income? Even when things are terrible, people still travel. Some do it for pleasure and some do it out of necessity. But what do all travelers need? A place to stay. In the past, building a guest house that may potentially turn a profit would have required hundreds, if not millions of dollars. Today, an unoccupied room may be a money-making engine. Sign up with Airbnb or market your property online to make money from travelers. Earn income from used items. The vehicle industry isn't constantly thriving, but the used car market is. Wherever you reside, there's certainly a terrific used vehicle store nearby where you can make money. Save enough money to buy a used car that can be repaired, then sell it for more money. The repaired version will bring you more money. This concept may be applied in pretty much everything. Buy cheap and sell for a profit to make money in an economy. Organize a garage sale online. Many of us are hoarders, even if we don't like to acknowledge it. From collecting too many Pokemon cards to keeping shoes that don't fit, we all hang on to something. If having a traditional garage sale doesn't suit you, you may host one online to get rid of items that are just gathering dust in your home and turn that dust into cash. This may be done using apps or by putting your items on social media and seeing if anyone is interested. Work as a virtual assistant. Many people are too busy to organize their day. However, some people are simply too brilliant at planning things. And if this is you, you may quickly land a job as a virtual assistant. You can do these jobs online, and your employer doesn't even have to be in the same country as you. All you have to do is schedule their meetings, emails, and errands. They'll guide you through everything online. It's a fast and easy method to make money, regardless matter the economy. Mock Juror online. Online mock jury service pays handsomely. To determine how solid their case is, legal teams frequently employ mock juries. The work is quite simple. Just join up, review the case files, and assist as needed. The task is just to create an opinion about what you've heard. It's quite simple money, and you'll get compensated for your time. Use your listening abilities. Those who can listen well can benefit from it. There are many businesses out there looking for individuals to convert their audio and video files into written text. These files may be anything from lectures or seminars to straightforward YouTube videos like this one. All you have to do is listen, write, and see money appear in your bank account. Online writing. Now it seems as though the actual world and the internet world are two separate worlds in which we exist. While we can get by in the physical world on our own, the internet world is vast, and if you can write, you can find your place there. Since much of the internet requires writers, you may get employed to write online. You may freelance from home or anywhere. If you can write, don't miss this chance. Share your knowledge. One of the finest ways to make money if you're skilled at something is to educate others. There are countless options, including cosmetic workshops, cooking classes, and art classes. You can teach everything you're good at. No matter how the economy is going, whether it be in person or online, you will be assisting people in learning something new and earning money. When the economy is poor, it helps to turn elsewhere for solutions. On the internet, everything is possible. Knowing what's out there might help you figure out what you can do to make money. As always, this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. You should always do your own research and speak to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.